If you are a photographer or someone with thousands of photos, organizing them is harder than taking them. Before we even talk about services, here's something important. Most photo libraries are full of duplicates and similar images. Using PictureEcho on Windows or Mac, you can clean those first and instantly reduce your workload. Because people typically rely on professional digitization services, photo organizing experts, cloud-based solutions, but each comes with a different cost, timelines, and limitations. So let's compare some of the best small photo organizing companies in Seattle, starting with Seattle Photo Organizing. They're best for full-service organizing and storytelling. They handle printed photos, slides, film and video, and digital archives. We create photo books, digital libraries, and structured systems. They have been in the industry for more than 18 years, and they're ideal for complete transformation of large collection. Next up is the PictureEcho. It's an all-in-one digitization and restoration digitizing service. They convert prints, negatives, VHS film, and audio. They also offer photo restoration and archival organization. They are family-owned and highly personalized and great for mixed media collection. Depending on the service, the pricing can change, but they're quite affordable for small batches. Next, the quality picture scanning. They're best known for being affordable in bulk scanning. They specialize in slides, negatives, printed photos, and it starts with 56 cents per image. They are very cost effective, but they focus more on scanning than organizing. Next up is Moon Photo Lab, which is known for restoration and high quality prints. They have over 50 years of experience. They handle old images and damaged prints, film processing, high-end scanning, and retouching. The pricing changes depending on the service, but overall, they can be considered mid to premium depending on the service you choose. Lastly, we have Acadia Imaging Service Bureau. They specialize in negatives, photo and album scanning, and they can also deal with documents and videos. They are very proud of their lowest prices in the industry, starting with 43 cents per photo for over 1,000 photos. Before you pay for scanning, upload to cloud, or organize manually, there's a smarter step. Use PictureEcho. PictureEcho helps you detect duplicates and similar photos visually, clean thousands of images in minutes, and reduce storage costs before uploading. It works on Windows and Mac. It's also highly rated on Trustpilot, making it a trusted solution for modern photo cleanup. So a professional should be cleaning first, then organizing, and then storing.